What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix apps not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So if your any app is not working, then check for its update. So to check update, open Play Store, click on your profile icon and then click on manage apps and device. Now click on updates available option. Now check the app if it's here that is not working. So if you have any pending update of that app, then update the app to the latest version, and after updating that app will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue after updating the app, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now here it will show you the list of apps that you have installed in your phone. So from here open the app which is not working. Now after opening the app, scroll down and click on storage, and from here clear the app data and cache memory of the app. So to clear the cache memory, tap on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data and then tap on delete from the pop-up. And after doing this, the app will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is update your mobile software. So to check for the software updates, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now click on download option here. So if you have any update pending, then download and install that update to update your mobile software to latest version. And after doing this, the app will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.